As organ becomes a top priority in modern households, drawer dressers have become an essential part of both bedroom design and storage solutions. Whether you're optimizing a small space or upgrading your decor, the best dressers offer a perfect balance of form and function. In this guide, we evaluate top drawer dressers based on material quality, storage capacity, ease of assembly, and aesthetic value to help you find the ideal list. 1. Cicotas dresser for bedroom. 4-drawer modern dresser. The Cicotas 4-drawer dresser is a great blend of sleek design and functional storage. Perfect for contemporary bedrooms, it features a modern finish that complements various decor styles. Its spacious drawers glide smoothly and are ideal for clothing, accessories, or linens. Made from durable engineered wood, this dresser is sturdy and easy to assemble. It's a great choice for closets or standalone use in a bedroom. List 2. WLIV 9-drawer dresser, tall fabric storage tower. The WLIV 9-drawer fabric dresser is perfect for those looking for versatile storage in a slim, vertical design. Ideal for bedrooms, entryways, or even kids' rooms. This unit offers a sturdy steel frame and breathable fabric drawers. The wood-style top adds a touch of elegance and serves as a surface for decor or daily essentials. Despite its tall profile, the dresser remains stable thanks to adjustable feet and anti-tip hardware. List number 3. Sweet Crispy 8-drawer dresser, fabric storage tower. If you're in need of flexible storage and a sleek frame, a Sweet Crispy 8-drawer dresser is an excellent pick. It combines a sturdy steel structure with fabric drawers that are lightweight yet durable. The wood top surface adds both functionality and a visual upgrade, suitable for holding lamps, photos, or decor. The 8-drawer layout makes organizing clothes, office supplies, or baby items effortless. List 4. WLive 8-drawer dresser, wide fabric organizer. The WLive 8-drawer wide dresser is a great solution for anyone needing ample storage with a low-profile design. It's wider than most dressers in its class, making it ideal for larger bedrooms or shared spaces. Each drawer is deep and well-sized, perfect for organizing clothing, linens, or toys. The top surface can comfortably hold decor items, a TV, or even a small changing station for nurseries. List 5. WordLive 4-drawer fabric dresser, compact organizer unit. Compact, functional, and affordable. The WordLive 4-drawer dresser is perfect for smaller bedrooms, dorm rooms, or guest spaces. Though small in size, it offers solid capacity for storing daily essentials. The steel frame and wooden top ensure durability, while the breathable fabric drawers are easy to use and clean. Its lightweight design makes it simple to move around as needed.